Alright, the second question is from Garzile Bro. I don't know how to pronounce her name. I'm very, very sorry. I'm not a native English speaker, so don't blame me, okay? I don't know how to pronounce her name, but anyways, he asked me, "Do you like NASCAR?" I don't know. I don't watch NASCAR, so I don't know anything about it. I know a few racers, but not everything about it. Uh, I know cars have a few NASCAR stuff, including NASCAR line. There's some good diecast in it. Not this garbage though. I mean, I don't know. Maybe it is good. I don't know. I don't watch it, so yeah. Next question. Me 87 TV. I'm sorry to say that wrong, but anyways, he asked me, "What's your favorite NASCAR Cup driver?" Dude, I don't have a favorite NASCAR driver because I don't watch NASCAR. Why is there two people asking me about NASCAR if I don't even watch it? The next question is from Sunv Ra 095. They asked me, "Do you think Lightning McQueen is faster than a NASCAR monster?" Okay, guys, if you guys keep asking me NASCAR question, I will never answer it. So, when will our friend recover, Doctor?
Don't worry, he'll recover soon. He'll be back in no time. I promise.
Guys, what's favorite neutral? With mines is Rain Schlields.
I love the James Queen hair.
James isn't allowed in here.
Hugs Brush Kerber from Cars, 1 and 3-ish. My favorite cars, 3 cars are Cam Spinner, Nick Shift, Danny Starved, and some other different types of next-gen racers from Cars. 3.
Adrian.
I don't like Cars 2. I don't like why all cars angry in Cars 2.
Alright, guys, I'd like to introduce you to the king of horrible cars cake, Human Muck. For some reason, this guy makes some of the worst cars cake ever. Like, he makes so many of them too. Like, he made a McQueen cake, which looks off, a Mater one, which looks like his eyes are bleeding, a Sally one, which seems better days. Doc, which also seen better days. Luigi and Guido's seems like they're on crack or something. And the Fillmore cake, which seems extremely depressing. And then the Sarge cake, which is the one that's in the thumbnail. For some reason, this Sarge cake looked exactly like this Cars knockoff character from a knockoff Cars movie. Like, why does it look like this? It doesn't look like Sarge. This looks like this goofy goober. Here's the flow cake, which I have no idea what's going on with the blue part there. Here's a Ramon cake, and why is there some of these purple liquid underneath him? Like, what is that? Here's a sheriff cake, and need I say more? Here's a red cake, which I don't think look that bad, to be honest. This might be one of his best cake he made. Here's a Lizzie cake, and for some reason, Lizzie looked more like the Darth Vader Mater instead of Lizzie, so, well, yeah. And then we have a Mac cake, which, yeah, is self-explanatory. Here's a Frank cake, and I don't know why his combine is so tiny. Like, look at that, that's a tiny combine. And here's a tractor that does not look like a tractor at all. It looks so fat. Like, what? Here's a Chick Hicks cake, and okay, yeah, it's It's odd for sure. And this thing right here is meant to be Chick Cake's hauler of all characters. Here's a king cake, which look more like cow letters, to be honest, rather than king, because it doesn't have the tall spoiler. And this is the Dinoco hauler, by the way. Here we have a Dinoco PD cake. Yeah, what is that hat? And then we have the Dinoco helicopter, which look nothing like a helicopter. Like, what is that? That's not a propeller. Here's a clutch strut cake that looks absolutely horrifying. This looks like a monster. And for some reason, he have number 4 instead of 52. And this right here is the Leadless Hauler. Such a random character. And this is an Aiken Axler cake. Yikes. Here's a Kevin Racing Tire cake. And it looks just as horrifying as you expect it to. And then we have Winford Bradford Rutherford. The cake just looks as horrible as Winford himself. This cake right here is meant to be DJ, by the way. I have no idea how this is DJ, because it looks nothing like him. Here's a Boo's cake. That's not Boo's pink right there. Boo's not that pink. And then this thing is Snot Rod. I have no idea how this is Snot Rod. This looks nothing like Snot Rod. This just looks like a pile of a bunch of cake combined together. It doesn't look like anything specific other than that. And here's a Wongo cake, which doesn't have his tall spoiler for some reason. Then we have Trap Diesel the train. A very random character to make as a cake. But I'll give him credit because this is one of the cake that actually look kind of decent and not horrible. Like, yeah, still look kind of ugly, but it's the best out of all of them pretty much. And finally, this thing right here is meant to be the bulldozer from El Matador. And yeah, I don't know why you just decided to make a bulldozer. He's not even like a Cars 1 character, while everybody else is a Cars 1 character. And also, for some reason, he added a exhaust pipe to bulldozer, which I don't think the bulldozer have exhaust pipe, or actually they do, but it's on their horn, not like this. So yeah. Overall, this guy makes some of the most horrifying Cars cake ever, and the amount of it is actually crazy. Like, he made 32 Cars cake. That's right, all of that is 32 Cars cake. Yeah, I have to give each of them a rating of infinite out of 10, because all of them are just as cursed as each other. What the fuck? Alright, I found this birthday cake here, which have several cars, but we also have some Disney Cars one, which we have this red Fillmore, orange Sarge, Piss Doc, and green McQueen. Where's Rhoda? Whoa. Holy shit, would you look at that? We have a Dinoco team cake, which I don't think we ever have this kind of team cake, which is pretty cool. I want to see more of this. Okay, there's Rotor. Finally. Thank you very much. Let me click on it. I'm gonna click on it. It's not gonna be this white pin drop, spoiler alert, but I'm gonna do it. In 3, 2, 1. That's right. I put Vitally in the game. 2, 1. That's right. I put Memo in the game. Because he was missing. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. That's right. I put Frosty in the game. In 3, 2, 1. That's right. I put Fernando in the game. See, I told you I put all the international race in the game. Alright, here's Cam 5, which is our room right now. What the hell are they doing? Oh no, the blue car. The hell are they doing with our monitor? Are they playing Minecraft? Wait, they are playing Minecraft. What the heck? What are they doing? They are chopping a tree. Boss? Did the fire truck just not joining them? Don't you see he's literally got chased by the gold lake creature? Can you guys stop playing Minecraft? Bruh, that's the footage, not what actually happened. What are they crafting? Maybe a crafting table, it seems like. Okay, seriously, what are they crafting on that crafting table? I have no idea. Wait, is that a sign? What does it say? Subscribe?
Enrique! Speed, I need this! My mom is kind of homeless. I live with my dad. I want to help her out.
Speed, I'm watching the stream while you try not to laugh, bro. That's disrespectful as shit, bro. The fuck is wrong with you, bro? Stop fucking laughing, bro.
Do you want Cars 4? Yes? Well then fuck you, because I want The Pooh 4. That's a better movie there. The Pooh 4. Insert low quality life is a high.
Will you turn that disrespectful junk off?
Respect the classics, man. It's Hendrix.
Commander Cody, the time has come. Execute Rules 66.
Yes, my lord.
Blast him!
Next question is from Carziator Collection, and he asked me, would you collaborate with me? I mean, what happened to me when I hit 4K? I'm not sure if I want to collaborate with you right now. Definitely in the future, but not now because I don't know what to collaborate with you as of right now. And I wish Vincent or Gary execute the people that almost kill me because I didn't collab with you when I hit 4K. But I think I'll collab with you in my big collaboration for my birthday next year. So yeah, we'll see about that. Recently, my channel just hit 2,000 subscribers, which is insane. Hello everybody, Jerry here. Recently, my channel just hit 3,000 subscribers. Hello everybody, Jerry here. And recently, my channel just hit 4,000 subscribers. I cannot believe that this day will come, but it does. And I'm very, very shocked. My channel has finally reached 5,000 subscribers.
It's time to change these video thumbnail as I have planned.
Well guys, after days of struggling with my phone number, today I finally managed to verify my fucking damn phone number. And I did it. I can finally add custom thumbnail to my video and make video longer than 15 minutes. You have no idea how happy I am right now. And just take a look at my channel after this. It is completely different now. Yeah, a massive differences, isn't it? And oh man, I cannot wait to make video longer than 15 minutes that are coming soon, like the Cars Wiki video, a new tier list series to replace that awful ranking one, and a 20-minute knockoff Cars episode. Absolutely crazy, right? Yeah, I know. Anyway, yeah, that's just a very good update I wanted to talk to you guys. And thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Bye.
let you down. Never gonna roll the wall and desert you. Never gonna make you cry. Never gonna say goodbye. Never gonna tell a lie and dread you. April Fool! You really expect this video to be an actual thing? Guess what? Fuck it. But boss seriousness, this is the only reason why Jerry just bought me in the first place. Yeah, he bought me just for this video specifically. And yeah, I don't know where my future will went after this, so... See y'all next time!
Boy, oh boy, that trip was fun. Man, we got to explore a lot of fun stuff there, you know, like a gaming setup. You like it, buddy? Of course, Mater. That was fun. How about you two? This is way better than I expected it to be. Man, I wish I could experience it again. How about you, Bob? Well, that was the worst place I ever visited in my entire life. What? Well, why don't you like it? Well, you see, while you guys was having fun with your stuff, I had to experiencing multiple creatures. Like, I have no idea what they are, but those are scary. And then, there was a dead corpse talking to me. I don't see those happen to us. Well, it's only you guys, not me. And guess what? Those things scared the fuck out of my life. Hey Bob, I think you're just being delusional. There's no such thing as those creatures. Whatever. See it for yourself. I don't think I'd like to see that place again. Why not? Well, you see, we almost get caught there. Oh, yeah, we almost get caught. I forgot about that. Anyways, I think you guys should move with us back to Radiator Springs. Yeah, let's go. What am I doing? What's up, man? Oh, hey. Hi. Hey there. Nice to meet you, man. What's your name? I'm Dusty. How about you? What's your name, then? I'm Billy. Nice to meet you. Hey, that's some pretty sick tires you got there. Thanks, I guess. This is just my racing tires, you know. Wow! But seriously, I don't want to talk about it. Okay then. You seem like a cool guy, honestly. Hey, do you have Discord? Because I want to contact with you later. I need to go home now. I do, but I haven't used it for a long time. But can you at least tell me what it is? So we can be friends? Sure. Alright, I hope this is his actual account. No way, we're friends now? Damn, this is gonna be crazy. Alright, I guess that's it. I hope our friendship will be amazing from now on. I didn't know Luigi was a Vuezine Racers. Guys, I think I found the most unnecessary knockoff cars pack of all time. Why the hell is there a pack of nothing but just Lightning McQueen? Like, why do you need 6 Lightning McQueen in one pack? Like, why does this exist? Well, the unnecessary level of this knockoff is beyond human conception. Like, who needs this? Look at this thing. This thing looks so fragile. Like, if I ride this thing, it will break instantly because of how fragile it was. So yeah, that's basically how Jason got that stupid ass statue, you know. It's pretty lame, but I don't really mind anyway, just let him mind his own business. Damn, I can't believe we'll spend such huge amount of money on such thing like a tiny statue. Yeah, I know, it's crazy. People just pay money for anything these days. Hey Jerry, you might want to look at this. This is crazy news. What? Crazy? Whoa. Hey Bob, what is that? Follow me. You don't want to see it, Jerry. It's really bad. Oh god, I don't have a good feeling about it. Here it is, Jerry. You're not gonna like this. Oh, I don't have a good feeling about this. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Guys, let me see what's going on here. Huh? What the heck? Jerome the Lego Tractor? Who is this guy? Why is there another Lego Tractor on YouTube? I thought I'm the only one. Apparently not. From what I've seen, you make very similar content to you. Huh. That's weird. Do you, like, steal my videos? No, but, let's take a look. This might be interesting. Alright, let's find out who he is by checking out his first video. What's up everybody, Jerome here, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Help me subscribe to my channel so I can hit 100 subscribers at the end of the year. Please subscribe! What that means, right? I got it. Finally. I got the red Mini Cooper! Alright. Now, it's the moment we all been waiting for, guys. The red Mini Cooper. Oh, wait. Wait a minute. Hold up. When I hold it to this side, where the fuck are his other side? Where is it? No! Nah, bro. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Why? What happened to him? Why is he naked? Where is his eye? Really, bro? Nah.